Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to manage categories on Xiaomi 14T and 14T Pro. So if you go to the app drawer, then of course at the top over here you have different categories, however you can manage them. And all you need to do in order to start managing them, in order to make some changes, is go to the settings. Over here in the top right corner of the app drawer we have this setting icon. Then you want to go to manage app categories, and then over here you will find all of these categories. Of course you can disable categories and don't have them at all, as you can see over here. But if you want to have them, but you want to customize them, then of course you can feel free to do that. You can reposition these categories by dragging and dropping from the right side, like so. You can create a custom category, so you can enter the name of the category and then start selecting apps that will be included in that category. There we go. And it will be added at the top. And of course, if you want to remove the category, you can press this red X on the left side. And this is how we can manage these categories. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!